Hello students, welcome back. Hope you all have seen my first part of this chapter where we have discussed about table, its components, right? Means what is the row and what is the column, what is the cell. In last video we have discussed that, and in regarding the previous video, if any doubt is there, again I am saying please mail me your doubt on my mail id akankshajham@gmail.com. Okay, so now in today's video we will further discuss about actually today we will do practical thing that how we can insert the table. Yes, in last video also we have seen this, that how we have insert the table. We are having 5 ways in that. So today we just insert the table and we just learn how to enter the data, how we can select a row, how we can select a column, how we can select a cell or the entire table. Or one more thing we will learn today, that how we can select the text inside the table, how we can edit the table. Means if we have made the table and now we want to update it, means if we have drawn the table of 3 by 3, now I want to update my table in 4 by 4, how can I increase a row, how can I increase the column, this we will study today. Okay, so for that give me 1 minute to set my phone. Okay, fine, now hope you all can see very well. So for it we will go to the start button, then I will type here Microsoft Word. No need to type, actually I am having it here, Microsoft Office Word 2007. Okay, so one screen is here, on your screen also I have opened Microsoft Word screen. Okay, so table is there in the insert tab, one table group is there. Okay, I will click here as in the earlier video we have shown. Now from the insert table we will draw a table. I will click on insert table. They are asking about number of columns and number of rows. So I just want 4 by 4, means 4 columns, and it is writing 3 actually. Okay, 4 columns and 5 rows. Okay, and I will click on OK. See, 4 columns are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5 rows are there. These are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now these are the rows, these are the columns, and this particular box is called the cell. If you just want, okay, now if you want to select the column, you will just place your cursor upside the column. Now see this black arrow. Okay, this bold black arrow will come and then click, it will select the entire column. Okay, now if I want to select this one, go upwards, again this black dark arrow will come and just click. Now this column is selected. Okay, now how to select a row? Yes, can you see this arrow, this diagonal arrow? When you will click from this diagonal arrow once, it will select the cell. Okay, and from the left corner again with this arrow, if you click by 1, it will select the cell, but if you will click twice, it will select the entire row. Again I am telling you how to select the column. For selecting the entire column, what you will do, just go upwards and then this black dark arrow will come. After this, just single click. Okay, now how to select a cell? For selecting a cell, go at the side of the cell, a diagonal arrow will come, a diagonal dark arrow will come, and then select by single click. Okay, how to select the entire row? For entire row, just go to the left side of the table, then again this diagonal black arrow will come, then by double clicking it, the entire row will get selected. Okay, fine. Now how to enter the data? For entering the data, we will start from the first cell. In the first cell, if I write here NAME, name, now how to move to the another cell? By simply right arrow key we can move. Okay, or if we are not using right arrow key, we can use tab key also. Okay, and how we can again go back? For going back, just use left arrow key. Okay, and next I will write the subject's name. Oh, okay, English, then maths, then we will take computer as we are reading it. Okay, now how to come in the next line with the down arrow key? It is very simple how to rotate in the table with the help of arrow keys. 4 arrow keys are there. What are the 4 arrow keys? Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. Okay, these are the arrow keys. Okay, on paper I'll draw it. Just give me 1 minute. See, like this arrow keys are there. This is up arrow key, this is left arrow key, this is right arrow key, and this is down arrow key. This will be available on your keyboard. Okay, with the help of these arrow key you can just rotate in the table. Fine, I hope you all are getting it. So first we will enter the data. Like small names we will take T, 40 and 90. Then again next we are taking 40, 30, 20. Next we will take, it's 90, 90, 90. Okay, at last we will take 50, 60, 70. So in this way we can enter the data in the table and select the row column. I have already told, after writing the text also in the same way you can select the entire column. If you want to select the column of name, then go upwards of the column name and just click once. See, the column name column is being selected. Okay, if you want to select the entire row of Sia, just go here. The diagonal arrow is there, dark arrow, just click twice and the entire row will be selected. Okay, now after this we will learn how to edit the table. Means now our table is of 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 5 rows, right? Now I want to add more names. Now I want to add more names for the record. Okay, so I want to add more rows in the table. So how can I add? So for that we will go here in the, yes, what you will do, you just click on your table, click on the last row where you want to add the row. Now go to the layout tab. In which tab you will go? Layout tab you will go, and in layout tab see the options are there, rows and columns. Can you see rows and columns? In rows and columns, one delete option is there, insert above is there, insert below is there, insert left is there, and insert right is there. Okay, when we are inserting the rows, this one is the row, the horizontal part of the table is the row. So if you want to insert a row, you can insert the row either above or below. Two options are there. When you want to insert the row, two options are there, whether you will insert the row above or below. Means if I want to insert the row below the Manas row, what I will do, I will click here, then I will click insert above, listen, if I want to insert the row below Manas row, what I will do, I will just click after 70 and I will choose the option insert below. See, one more column is added. Now I want to add the row before Sia column. Okay, then what I will do, I will place my cursor near 20, then I will select insert above. See, above Sia row, one row is added. Yes or no? Fine. So in this way you can add rows. Now how to add column? for it is also the same. Column also having two options, insert left or insert right. Means if I want to add a column before English column, means I will select the English column. Now I want a new column, but I want new column at the left side of the English. So what I will insert left. See, one more column is there. Now I want a right column also. Near insert, again I will select the English column and I will click on insert right. So two more columns are added in your table. So this is how we can insert extra rows and extra columns. Okay, fine. Now next topic is how to delete the rows. How we can delete the rows and columns. For deleting, one option is there here in the layout tab only. Delete option is there, delete cell is there, delete column is there, delete rows is there, delete table is there. So if I want to delete this blank column, what I will do, just select this blank column, then go to the delete option and select delete column. Now see that blank column deleted. Now this blank column also we want to delete, so select this, go to the delete option, then delete column. Okay, now how to delete the rows. First we have to select the row, and how to select the row, go to the left side of the table, double click here, the entire row is selected, then again go to the delete option and we should click on delete row. See the row above Sia name is deleted. Now I want to delete this row which is inserted after Manas row. Again by double clicking I will select the entire row and I will go to the delete column and then delete row. Now one more thing, if I want to delete one single cell, so how to select a single cell? By just single clicking it. Now delete, then delete cell. For delete cell it is asking that shift cell left, shift cell up, delete entire row, delete entire column. Means if we are deleting in between any cell, in between the table any cell if we are deleting, then it will ask you after deletion of this cell what you want. You want your cell to be shift left or right, or okay, we will just check what happened. Shift cell left we are selecting. Okay, so see, one cell is deleted and the Sia column is having now two columns, 30 and 20. Third column is now deleted. See here, see very carefully here. In the Sia column 30, 20 and the third cell is deleted now. Okay, one more example we will take of Manas one. This 60 is written here under maths. Okay, I will select it by single click. Okay, now after selecting this column, again I will go to delete, then delete cell. Now this time we will select shift cell up. No, shift cell left will be work. Okay, then okay. See, again the same thing happened. Two cells are there, the third cell is deleted. Fine. Now the one more thing is there, how to delete the entire table. We have learned how to delete the cell, how to delete the column, how to delete the row. Now how to select the entire table and how to delete the table. We have learned how to select the column. Yes, we have learned how to select the row. We have learned how to select the cell, but how to select the table. For selecting the table, if you can see at the left top corner, one sign is given here. The sign is of plus sign. You just have to go here and just click once. See, your entire table is selected. Now after selecting it, again we will go to delete command and here delete table is there. So our entire table is deleted. Fine. So in today's video what we have learned, how to create the table, then how to enter the data, then we have learned how to select the entire column, how to select the entire row, how to select a single cell, how to select the entire table. Then how to edit the table, means if we want to add some rows, add some columns, how we can do it. In rows two options are there, whether we have to insert the row above or below, and for the column we have to insert the column left or right. This we have learned, and afterwards we have learned how to delete all these things one by one, means how to delete the existing column, how to delete existing row, how to delete a single cell, how to delete the entire table. Okay, hope you all get it. Fine, that's it for today. Stay safe at your home. Thank you. Bye.